headlong. It'll be like we had never gone. Switch on the old radio. Still got a few miles to go. We'll be breathing in the summer air, which apparently is better there. Where shall we go, dear? Same place every year. Gotta get around, like slipping out of day. So maybe your escape is drugs, or maybe it is alcohol. Mine is in a caravan. Don't get me wrong, I know it's bland.
It feels great to have the Honda finally stripped down. I feel like everything that I did up till now was preparing for that moment, and now the project can finally start. Let me show you what I found. So now that the frame's actually nice and clean and I can see all the welds, I can do a full inspection on it. So far there's nothing that I found that really concerns me. There's some areas where the surface rust is a little bit worse than others, and I'll be tackling those ones first, which are probably going to be around where the battery box is. I'll be mechanically removing as much rust as I can, and then I'll be chemically treating it. Once I'm happy with that, I will apply some kind of etching primer on there to stabilize it, and then I'm going to be deciding what to do paint-wise later on. I did notice that the rear helmet holder hook needs to be bent back into position. So now, as far as where we're going with the project, so the idea is to at least get the whole front part of the bike here done, which includes upgrading the bearings and rebuilding the triple tree and the instrument cluster. So yes, I've also been working on the instrument cluster, and I can't wait to show you guys how that's turning out. That most likely will be the topic of the next CB750 episode. If you'd like to check out any of my other 750 episodes, here's the playlist. If you liked today's video, give me a like.